Hi guys, how's it going? I was going to make a video about making my budget pages, but the computer that I had my dot grid that I use as a base actually just got fried. So I am just going to make a dot grid. Let's hope I remember all of the dimensions that I need. I do have a couple printed pages that I can get stuff from. But first thing, we're going to change the display units to inches and the page size to inches. I'm going to do a half letter page just because I like it better. I don't like to waste. I have a happy planner, but I don't like to cut and waste all that paper to make it happy planner size. I believe happy planner is like 7 by 9.5, but I could be totally wrong. So I'm gonna do a half page here. So the width will be 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set up some grids so it's easy to snap to. We also want it to be in inches, and we're going to do the spacing for our dots 0.2 inches. So let's make it like that. And then for the origin, I just happened to remember that it was 0.15. And then if we zoom in here, you can see all the grids, and I am going to put my margins here. This one is going to be 0.65, which is, I believe, 5/8. Let's just set this to 0 and locked. I don't want it moving around. Another one for the other side. Come on. This one, the page is 5.5. I want a 1/4 inch from the edge. So there we go, 5.25, and here it can be 0, locked, okay. This one is going to be 0x and 8.25. I want 1/4 inch on the bottom and on the top. So 0.25 and 0 and locked. Okay, so now that our page is set up, we're going to start with our first dot. So we're going to make a square. Now I want it white with no fill. Where's fill? Actually, let's just make it clear and clear. I just need it as a spacing. I actually probably don't even need it, but. And then we're going to make a circle. Let's just select, I want to do 20% gray. Let's select that and change this to be 0.025. And these numbers I got after printing several pages to see which one I liked better. So we're going to select those and align and distribute. I believe it's here in object if you don't have it. Align and distribute. So you just select both of them and you center them. And now I want to hide my grid here really quick. Let's group this, and then I want it to be on that corner right there. Now we can get the grid back on, because it would try to snap to the grid and I wanted to snap to that, to those guides. Okay, so now what we're going to do to get our grid, we're going to edit, clone, create tiled clones, sorry. And then we want a single row with 23 dots, which is actually, let's just do the whole page, 40 rows and 23 dots, which I also got by trial and error and messing with my printer. When I print it, I actually print the pages reversed, so the 5/8 border is on the outside of the page instead of the inside, even though it's where you punch and it would technically be on the inside of your book. And if we zoom out, I can hide the grid, and there you go, we have our half sheet dot matrix. Let's save this. Save as. Let's do Inkscape. Dot grid. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will stop here for now, and I will make a new video to make my budget pages. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments, any questions you might have. Thanks.